Let's be honest, getting new floors is exciting until install week comes. Furniture everywhere, dust worries, did I forget something? Feeling at 2 a.m. Most homeowners don't feel stressed because of the flooring. They feel stressed because they don't know what to expect. So let me ask you something. If you knew exactly how to prepare your home for flooring installation, would that lower your anxiety? Good, let's walk through it. Here are 9 simple things smart homeowners do before install day. This will make your project smoother, faster, and more professional. And yes, it protects your investment too. Number 1, clear the room completely. If you plan to remove the furniture yourself, this sounds obvious, but it's where most problems begin. Proper hardwood floor installation, or even luxury vinyl plank installation, or laminate flooring installation, the space must be fully empty. That means sofas, beds, dressers, TV stands, rugs, wall decor. Why? Because installers need full access to walls, corners, closets, doorways. If the furniture sits inside, your flooring contractor loses time. Time becomes money. Let me ask you this. Would you rather move things once or have workers move them around during install? Clear space equals faster job equals cleaner finish. Number 2, remove fragile and valuable items. Installation involves saw cuttings, tools, movement, sometimes vibration. Even with careful crews, small accidents can happen. So before your new flooring installation, please remove picture frames, glass items, lamps, small electronics, family heirlooms. Put them in a safe room. It's not about fear, it's about wisdom. A professional project starts with a prepared home. Number 3, make plans for pets. Pets plus open doors plus loud tools equals chaos. Dogs get stressed. Cats disappear. Before install day, ask yourself, where will my pet stay for the next 1 to 3 days? You can have your friend's house, boarding, close room far from work area. This will protect your pet, the crew, and the quality of your flooring. And also it reduces stress for everyone. Number 4, plan for dust, even if it's minimal. Good installers control dust. But let's be realistic. If there's floor removal, baseboard removal, cutting indoors, there will be some dust. Before the project started, you can cover nearby furniture with plastic, close HVAC vents, remove clothes from the closets in the work zone, seal open cabinets near the door. Simple preparation prevents frustration later. This is especially important for engineered hardwood flooring project or when removing old tile. Number 5, check your subfloor expectations. Most homeowners don't think about this. They only think about color and style. But under your floor is a subfloor. And if it's uneven, damaged, or noisy, it must be addressed. During floor installation services, sometimes crew discover squeaks, uneven areas, or even some minor repairs needed. So ask your contractor in advance, what happens if the subfloor needs repair? Clear expectation, reduce surprise costs. Surprise costs are what create regret. Number 6, talk about baseboards ahead of time, but can be executed later. Baseboards matter more than people think. For your flooring installation, clarify, will baseboard be removed and reinstalled? Will they be painted and then reinstalled? Or are we using new baseboard? Or will quarter round be used? Most homeowners don't ask this. And then they see trim changes and feel confused. Don't guess, ask. Clean trim detail makes your floor look expensive. Messy trim detail makes even premium flooring look cheap. Number 7, prepare for noise. Install day is not quiet. There will be cutting, there'll be hammering, there'll be air compressors, there'll be crew communication. If you work from home, have small kids, or have online meetings, please plan ahead. Maybe work from a cafe, schedule fewer calls, adjust expectation. Keep in mind, this is temporary, but knowing this ahead of time removes frustration. Number 8, confirm timeline and access. The best flooring companies near you operate on schedule, but access matters. Before install, please confirm start time, confirm parking, clear driveway if needed, provide gate codes if applicable, move cars from garage if flooring extends there. If access is delayed, install slows down. Professional homeowners treat install day like a mini construction project, because it is. Number 9, mentally prepare for temporary disruption. This might be the most important one. New floors are an upgrade, but install week is a transition. You may walk differently, smell fresh materials, see slight color variation, which is normal for wood, need to wait before moving heavy furniture back. Let me ask you this. Are you prepared to protect your new floors after installation? For example, waiting 24 hours before heavy furniture, using felt pads, avoid dragging items. Preparation doesn't stop on install day. It continues after. This is how floors look right and last long. When homeowners prepare well, 3 things happen. The job finishes faster, the result looks cleaner, and everyone feels calm. And calm homeowners make better decisions. That's the hidden secret. Professional preparation builds trust. It shows you care about your investment, and when you invest in waterproof luxury plank, solid hardwood flooring, or engineered wood flooring, you're not just buying material, you're upgrading your home's foundation. So, a quick checklist. Before install day, room fully empty, fragile items removed, pad secured, dust plan in place, subfloor discussion done, baseboard plan clear, noise expectation set, access confirmed, and furniture return plan ready. Simple, right? Well, most flooring stress doesn't come from bad work. It comes from unclear expectation. So let me ask you one last question. Do you want an install day to feel chaotic or coordinated? Preparation is the difference.